Hello everybody, welcome to Faye's house. I've got Big Pooh Bear with me, Little Faye, and I'm Big Faye. No mouse today, like that we had visit us for Hickory Dickory Dock, but there is someone else here. Can you see? Have a good look. Who is new in our little preschool? Did you see? Can you look? It's a chicken. Because there's a little chicken in our story today. But wait a moment. Where's the storybook? Can you look for my storybook? Is it up high? You don't get books on the ceiling. Is it down low? Can't see it on the floor. Where could it be? Pooh Bear, have you seen the book? Little Faye, have you seen the book? I think it's hiding. Here's the book. It was behind Little Faye. And today's story is called Chicken Licken. Chicken Licken. There is Chicken Licken. Chicken Licken is minding his chicken pecking business one day when an acorn drops plop on his head. Help, he cheeps. The sky is falling down. I'd better go and tell the king. And off he scurries. What's the hurry? Clucks Henny Penny. There's Henny Penny. Oh, Henny Penny, cheeps Chicken Licken. The sky is falling down. I'm off to tell the king. That's not funny, clucks Henny Penny. I'd better come too. And off they scurry. What's the hurry? Crows Cocky Locky. Oh, Cocky Locky, cheeps Chicken Licken. The sky is falling down. We're off to tell the king. What a cock-a-doodle shock, crows Cocky Locky. I'd better come too. So now we've got Chicken Licken, Henny Penny and Cocky Locky. I wonder if they'll meet anyone else. I wonder what type of creatures those beaks belong to. There's a clue because the words say quack, quack. So Chicken Licken, Henny Penny and Cocky Locky scurry along to tell the king. And that's where they're trying to get to, the castle. That's where the king lives. What's the hurry? Quack Ducky Lucky and Drakey Lakey. Oh, Ducky Lucky and Drakey Lakey, cheeps Chicken Licken. The sky is falling down. We're off to tell the king. You look very shaky, quacks Drakey Lakey. We'd better come too. Look at them all, scurrying, hurrying along the path, with Chicken Licken in the lead. So Chicken Licken, Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, Ducky Lucky and Drakey Lakey scurry along to tell the king. What's the hurry? Is that another duck? Honks Goosey Lucy. Oh, Goosey Lucy, cheeps Chicken Licken. The sky is falling down. We're off to tell the king. Goodness gracious, gasps Goosey Lucy. I'd better come too. And off they scurry. What's the hurry? Gobbles What's that animal going to be? Ah, it's Turkey Lurkey. There's the turkey. Oh, Turkey Lurkey, cheeps Chicken Licken. The sky is falling down. We're off to tell the king. I feel horribly wobbly, gobbles Turkey Lurkey. I'd better come too. So Chicken Licken, Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, Ducky Lucky, Drakey Lakey, Goosey Lucy and Turkey Lurkey scurry along to tell the king. This way to see the king. What's the hurry? Snaps. Who could have said that? Who was it? Can you see them hiding? With a bushy tail and a sharp nose and 2 pointy ears. What do you think likes chasing chickens and hens and ducks and geese? You better watch out. It's Foxy Loxy, and he's licking his lips. Aha! Oh, Foxy Loxy, cheeps Chicken Licken. The sky is falling down. We're off to tell the king. Smiles Foxy Loxy. He has a cunning plan. Do you think he wants to eat the chicken? Ooh. Follow me, my feathery friends, smiles Foxy Loxy. I can help you find the king. We nearly there yet. So Chicken Licken, Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, Ducky Lucky, Drakey Lakey, Goosey Lucy and Turkey Lurkey hurry and scurry behind Foxy Loxy all the way to... Are they going to get to the castle? Oh, not the castle, but the Foxy Loxy family lair. So that's where all the foxes live, and they arrived just in time for dinner. I think the foxes have eaten them up. Oh no! And that was the end of Chicken Licken, Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, Ducky Lucky, Drakey Lakey, Goosey Lucy and Turkey Lurkey. And the king never did find out that the sky was falling down. The end.